Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare on PC. First, confirm your computer meets the game's minimum specifications, including a compatible operating system and sufficient RAM. Next, download and install the Battle.net desktop application, creating a free account if you don't already have one. Then, purchase and install the game directly through the Battle.net client. Finally, ensure your keyboard, mouse, and a reliable internet connection are all properly set up for optimal gameplay. Once in the game, you'll primarily use your keyboard and mouse for control. The W, A, S, D keys move your character, while your mouse precisely controls aiming and camera movement. Left-click fires your weapon, and right-click allows you to aim down sights for better accuracy. Press the spacebar to jump over obstacles and the C key to crouch for cover. Remember to use the F key for interactions and R to reload your weapon. Call of Duty Modern Warfare offers several exciting ways to play. Dive into fast-paced multiplayer matches, featuring popular modes such as Team Deathmatch and Domination, supporting up to 12 players. Experience a compelling narrative in the single-player campaign, which typically takes around 6 hours to complete. You can also team up with up to 3 friends for challenging cooperative special ops missions. As you play, you'll earn experience points, progressing through ranks and unlocking new gear. To truly excel, customize your weapon loadouts with attachments that enhance your preferred playstyle, offering hundreds of combinations. Pay close attention to your minimap. It provides crucial information about enemy positions and objective locations. Effective communication with your teammates via voice chat can turn the tide of any match. Consistent practice, even for just 30 minutes daily, will significantly improve your aim, reflexes, and overall tactical awareness, making you a formidable player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.